The night sky, a canvas of twinkling wonder, a spectacle that has captivated humanity for millennia. A source of endless fascination where each star tells a story of distant worlds and cosmic mysteries. But behind the beauty, a chilling truth lurks, hidden in the vastness of the cosmos. The universe is vast, cold, and unforgiving, a realm where the laws of nature are both wondrous and merciless. What lurks within its darkest corners? What secrets does the void hold? What creatures might thrive in the vacuum of space far beyond our understanding in environments we can scarcely imagine? For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, seeking answers to questions both profound and terrifying. We have wondered, we have dreamed, and we have feared. The night sky has always been a mirror to our deepest anxieties and hopes. We have filled the void with tales of terrifying creatures, stories that reflect our primal fears and our need to explain the unknown. Beings of pure energy, monstrous leviathans, and silent, watchful intelligences. These are the inhabitants of our cosmic nightmares. Stories whispered around campfires and etched onto ancient tablets, passed down through generations as warnings and wonders. These tales, though rooted in fantasy, reflect a primal fear, a fear that has been with us since the dawn of time. The fear of the unknown, the fear of what lies beyond the reach of our understanding, the fear of what might be lurking just beyond our sight, waiting to reach out from the darkness and touch our world. While some dismiss these stories as mere superstition, others see them as warnings, cautionary tales of what might be out there. What if we are not alone? What if the universe teems with life, both benign and malevolent? What if in the vast expanse of the cosmos, there exist creatures beyond our wildest nightmares, beings that defy our understanding, creatures that make the monsters of our myths look tame in comparison, lurking in the untamed darkness above? One such terror is the xenomorph, a creature that has haunted our nightmares and fueled our imaginations for decades. This creature, born from the silver screen, embodies our fear of the parasitic and the relentless. It is a symbol of our deepest anxieties about the unknown and the uncontrollable. Hatching from eggs as spider-like facehuggers, they implant larvae in unsuspecting hosts. These facehuggers are the first stage of the xenomorph's life cycle, a horrifying process that begins with a simple, almost innocuous egg. These larvae grow, consuming the host from within, until bursting forth in a shower of gore and viscera. This violent birth is a gruesome reminder of the fragility of life and the brutal reality of nature's cycle. The xenomorph is a perfect predator, designed by nature to be the ultimate hunter. Its every feature, from its sleek, dark exoskeleton to its razor-sharp claws, is optimized for one purpose: to kill. Its acidic blood, bladed tail, and chilling intelligence make it a nightmare made flesh. The xenomorph's adaptability and cunning make it a formidable foe, capable of outsmarting even the most prepared human. This creature is a stark reminder of the vulnerability of flesh and bone against the brutal efficiency of nature. It shows us that despite our technological advancements, we are still at the mercy of the natural world. Then we have the Reapers from the Mass Effect universe, another terrifying example of extraterrestrial life. These sentient starships, colossal in size and driven by cold, calculating logic, harvest entire civilizations. They are the embodiment of our fear of being overpowered by a superior force, one that views us as nothing more than resources to be consumed. They represent a fear of superior technology, of being nothing more than ants beneath the uncaring foot of a god. The Reapers' advanced technology and ruthless efficiency make them a nearly unstoppable force. The Reapers are a chilling reminder: we are but one species on a single planet. In the vast expanse of the universe, we are not as significant as we might like to believe. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, we are insignificant. Our planet, our civilization, and our very existence are but a tiny speck in the infinite universe. Easy prey for any intelligence that might seek to exploit us. The thought of such powerful beings watching us from the stars is both humbling and terrifying, a reminder of our place in the universe. But the fear of space creatures is not limited to modern fiction. This fear has deep roots that stretch back through the annals of human history. Ancient cultures, too, have their tales of cosmic horror. These stories were often passed down through generations, becoming an integral part of their mythologies and belief systems. Take, for instance, the Babylonian deity Tiamat. She is a prime example of how ancient civilizations personified the terrifying aspects of the cosmos. Tiamat, a monstrous goddess of chaos, embodies the raw, untamed power of the universe. Her very essence is a reminder of the unpredictable and often violent nature of the cosmos. Depicted as a massive dragon or serpent, she represents the destructive forces of nature that can lay waste to entire worlds. Her image is a stark reminder of the fragility of existence. She reminds us that we exist at the mercy of forces far greater than ourselves, forces that are beyond our control and comprehension. Similarly, the Aztecs worshipped Quetzalcoatl, a feathered serpent deity associated with both creation and destruction. His dual nature reflects the balance of life and death, creation and annihilation. While often seen as a benevolent god, Quetzalcoatl also possessed a fearsome aspect. This duality made him a powerful symbol of the unpredictable nature of the universe. He could unleash natural disasters, bringing about the end of eras. His wrath was a reminder of the ever-present danger that lurks in the cosmos. These ancient myths, though shrouded in symbolism and allegory, speak to a universal fear, a fear that transcends time and culture, resonating with the human experience across millennia, the fear of the unknown and the uncontrollable power of the cosmos. This fear is a testament to our awareness of our own vulnerability in the face of the vast, indifferent universe. They remind us that we are but small creatures in a vast and often dangerous universe, a universe that is as beautiful as it is terrifying, filled with wonders and horrors beyond our wildest imaginations.